Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the top panel on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the panel has become damaged or rusted. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we'll be using. It's a Maytag Maxima X. Keep in mind that yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So all we have to do now is turn our dryer around. Now we'll be removing the 2 screws here holding our top on. And once you remove those 2 screws, you can pull back on the top panel and then lift up and remove it. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement top panel. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Now if you take a look at one of the sides on the panel, it's got these slots that go all the way down. Those slots correspond to each one of these tabs here. So when you put the top panel back on, you're going to want to try and make sure that those slots line up with the tabs. And as long as everything lines up, the top panel will slide in there nice and easy, and your back hole should line up nicely so we can screw it back in. And once you got that screwed in nice and tight, you can turn it back around and your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.